Guys, today we're going to be doing a mukbang by eating a Kinder egg. Sure. Okay. And also a Kit Kat.
And I'm going to get a crunch.
And I have some nachos.
And I have some pizza.
And for the drink, we have this.
We got the both. Nice to know.
And listen to the sound. Okay. So let's start eating. And make sure to subscribe and like. Okay, start.
See? Mmm. Oh my god.
I love nachos.
I like pizza.
Okay.
I like this.
I actually never ate it spicy. I'm sorry about the audio. It's just my mom is cleaning the house. But guys, please wear headphones for a better sound. Or do not put headphones on. Because our audio is really loud in this house. Yep. Yeah, my mom is cleaning. Yep.
Yeah.
Let's just continue. Imagine the background didn't even exist.
So squishy.
Look, get out of the way. Okay, finally then my mom stopped cleaning for the lid.
Yeah.
Our mom is just we're making a video and we're trying to be a little quiet in the video. Okay, mommy? I'm sorry about all of that noise that was happening.
The vacuum.
Yeah, my mom was just vacuuming the house. I'm sorry about the audio.
And don't forget, we are cousins. We are not sisters.
Yeah, she just came for a sleepover and she was really excited. So yeah.
And I'm leaving at 3.
Yeah, she is.
Wait, after this video, can we play the Matching Princess?
Or can you check out Hulu? See what's on Hulu if you're interested.
Tito, can you just be quiet for a bit?
You're off topic.
Tito, we're literally recording.
I'm not saying anything else.
Sorry about that. My brother, he's just being so annoying.
Just continue.
Oh,
You gonna
slippery.
continue with the video or not?
Let's just go to a Kinder out.
oh.
Let me just show you.
Do you guys want some?
Here you go.
You like it?
You like it? That doesn't have cheese. Tomato sauce. But I like the bread. Okay, you're gonna move that out the way. Continue the video.
Well, you're already finished.
Yeah, we just. I'm hungry. And I like this.
And after, finish the juice, okay?
I'm just gonna finish it. Whoa. Oh my god, look at my hair.
Oh yeah. Let's just continue the video.
I'll die.
Get the juice. Drink it.
acting like a baby.
Sometimes I feel like the cheese feels spicy or something.
They're not spicy. It's not spicy.
You wanna see? Sometimes it gets spicy, look.
I don't want to try it. I already tried some. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. ¿Y limpiaron eso mucho?
Yeah.
Mira, ya me terminó. Y ahora ya tengo a terminar el steak.
Technical difficulties.
Just like in my class.
Let me pause this quick. Okay, we're back. Eat.
And then we're gonna watch it, okay? Gonna hear my burp.
Okay, that was actually disgusting. Sorry for that technical difficulties.
I burped again. It's about this.
Oh my god. It's so big.
Green. When you finish that, we're gonna eat the candy.
Okay. Yeah.
First the Kinder Eggs or in the package.
Sorry, my house was just really quiet, so we paused it.
It was glitching.
Yeah.
Don't tell it.
Oh, we could say hi to the camera.
Esos videos muy largos, ¿quién lo va a ver muy largo?
We can try to eat.
Want some?
No, Mia. Mia. Get the water. There's sauce on there.
Listen to this, guys.
Look at mine.
Hey, listen to my nails.
Listen to mine.
Let's just continue eating.
There's something in
Okay,
my
guys.
brain.
Guys, I'm gonna say
I have
some.
a secret. I have a secret, but nobody knows.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna leave some of this right here because it got a little bit full.
And
Now
now,
we're gonna eat our candy.
no, our juices.
I already finished mine.
But you need to wait for me.
Okay. So, guys, I'm just gonna show you the Kinder Egg.
I'm actually full with this.
Okay. So
Okay.
let's open our Kinder Eggs.
Wait, I always do this. Get this. Just wiggle it and then I always use this. Look how I open it. Oh my god. I can literally open it with. Oh, Blue is here.
Oh, you guys are wondering who is Blue. He's just my little puppy.
Wow, this is a neck and a head.
Guys, I have a little secret.
He got rabia.
No, that's not rabia. Because gladly he didn't have rabia.
Okay, I'm gonna
open the toy first.
Wait, is that the toy?
No, this is actually the chocolate.
Yeah, we're gonna eat the chocolate.
This part is the chocolate, the golden.
Have you eat Kinder Eggs? Comment down below.
Yeah. Comment down below. I eat Kinder Eggs. And I love poop. I opened it. Whoa.
Me too. Look at mine. Whoa.
They're like twins.
I like eating the crunchy.
Show them to them. Show them. Me too. Those are my favorite. They're like chocolates.
Yeah. And they have cream.
Uh-huh. The cream is super good.
And we eat the cream first to get the little brown. So you see that?
Yeah,
The
I
little
eat that.
like that. I ate that last.
Can I eat one of these?
It's crunchy. I think I can get this. Oh, I just got you.
Wait, technical difficulty. Hey guys, I want you to guys listen to the crunch of the noise.
The crunch of the nut.
You're blocking the light.
I know.
And now you're gonna hear my crunch. I'm just trying to get it. Oh, and now you're gonna hear it. Okay. You hear that, guy?
Technical difficulties. Okay, let's keep doing it, Allison.
I like doing like this. Wait, Nicole, I like doing like this. Do it.
Okay.
To make it really brown. Look at the brown, guys. It looks like caca.
Puku kaka.
Really country. I said crunchy. Oh, I got some. I got some cream on. Do you know I wake up at 10? No.
It is time for the toy.
No. Okay, yeah.
3.
I hope we got the same one. 2, 1. I got the lion, I think.
You got a lion? No, you got a chicken.
The chicken.
A chicken.
Wow. I really love this chicken.
Love it.
How do I do
And then show them the toy after.
Wait, oh! Look at that. But
Now
look
show them
at
to
the
them.
feet. But look at the feet.
Show them to them.
Got the chick.
Now turn it around.
Okay, now I'm gonna eat my crunchy.
Wait for me, Allison. Don't eat it yet.
Todavía está el video.
See?
What? Stickers.
I did not get the lion. I got something else.
No, the chicken.
No. I got this one.
You see? How do you build it? Is it an egg?
Let me try to do it. I think you have to do like this.
Can I tell you something? Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
Get this on your stick.
Okay, let's start eating. There it comes.
The other one.
Wait, Allison. I think we can both eat Kit Kats. Wanna know why? There's 2 pieces. You wanna see?
Yeah, but
Here.
I'm gonna get two. No, I am eating.
Wait.
Oh, crunchy. I'm just gonna.
Look at this, guys. Look at the inside.
But this is your mom. What? There's a spoon.
Here's another.
Now here's the crunch for you.
Let's share it. Like put it into a piece, okay? Open it so we can share it. You're gonna cut it in
Let
pieces.
me-
What? It's open.
I'm just gonna eat this piece.
Okay.
I don't mind.
Just cut it, okay? Cut a piece, okay? Cut it in half like this.
You're gonna see how I do that.
Okay.
How?
I know how. Just cut it.
Ooh! I did it!
Give it quick before the everyone.
Ahí te vienen a buscar.
Quick. Okay, that's the end because she got to go. And besides, we